G'day everybody, welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. Actually, it's probably been more than a minute. It's been quite a while since I've done a video. As you may have noticed, I took a little bit of a hiatus over the last year. Things changed a little bit midway through 2020 for me, and my focuses went a little bit elsewhere. But I'm back now, and in the next couple of months you'll see some more content from me. Got a few new lights coming my way which are going to be tested out, and you'll see videos for those pretty soon. But today I'm here to share some behind the scenes footage with you of a shoot I did last week. In 2 weeks time I've actually got a workshop here in the studio, and it is going to be 70s themed. It's going to be disco versus rock, Bee Gees versus Led Zeppelin if you will. And basically it's going to be a fashion portrait style workshop here in the studio with 70s theme. I don't normally get the opportunity to fully test my sets before the workshops, but in this case I'm going to be working with a brand new model for the workshop, so I wanted to spend some time with her. In fact, it's the first time she's actually done a proper photo shoot, so I just wanted to make sure she was all good to go, and as you will see in the footage, she is absolutely fantastic. Her name is Piper, and she's a bit of a performance artist and dancer, and I thought she would transition really well into modelling, and my thoughts were correct. Piper did amazing, and she was lots of fun to work with, so I'm sure the workshop participants are going to get some great images of her and have a lot of fun. So when I came up with this concept, I wanted to sort of create a little home environment in this set as much as I could do that here in the studio. So I went around to a few op shops, and I was on the lookout for a shag pile rug, and I managed to locate this gorgeous purple rug here at an op shop. And I was also looking for an old record player, and I managed to find that as well. So I was pretty lucky finding those. The rest of the items that were used as props in this set during the shoot were actually Piper's. She has a lot of 70s style clothing and pillows and things like that, which worked really well in this set. So I'll just give you a little quick rundown on the lighting that I used for this, starting with the main light up here, which is the Aperture 120D Mark 1 with the Light Dome Mini, and so that's lighting me here at the moment. Then as a bit of a hair light up behind me, or in my case a skull light, I'm using the Lupo 650 Fresnel, the little guy, and that's on a pretty low power. The 120D is actually on around about 75% power at the moment. And then to round out the lighting, I've got two of the Lupo full color 30 LED RGB panels on either side. This one low down here on the floor set to an orange that's shining through the back of the record player here, which is giving that nice little glow. And then up the back here, kind of shining on the back of the couch, and a little bit on the side here is set to purple. So I did this shoot on the XT4 with the 16 to 55mm 2.8, and the behind the scenes footage is all shot with the Fuji XT3, which is filming me right now, and then a little bit of handheld footage from my shooting position just with the XT4, just using the in-body stabilization. So there was 3 different sort of looks that we did. We wanted to test out a few different outfits that Piper had, just to see which ones might work best for the workshop. And with those 3 different looks, the only thing I really changed was Piper's position in the set and my angle to shoot from. So the second one, I pulled the ladder out and we shot looking straight down on top of Piper as she lay down on the rug. And that one I think works really, really well, but I'm not sure I'll probably use that one for the workshop, just for the fact that it's a little bit more difficult getting all the participants up and down ladders from a health and safety perspective. So here's the behind the scenes footage from our test shoot. It's going to be pretty similar to what we do in the workshop. I still need to work out the disco set for the workshop as well. I've got a few ideas around that, but haven't had a chance to test that just yet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed that behind the scenes look at this 70s themed shoot. Here's a few of my favourite images that were actually captured during the shoot. Now, we did shoot a couple of extra looks as well, which I'm not sharing in this video with you today. There will be a part 2 to this video, which will appear on my members website, linked in the description below if you want to check that out. That'll probably be coming in the next couple of weeks. Thanks again for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, because there will be lots more content coming your way pretty soon. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.